piece.
Love the white wall.
Yeah,
They're
it's
really
pretty
cool.
slick, eh?
Actually, all
You don't
three of
see
them.
a lot of them.
No.
Another GTO in the back end. Or is that just a Lamont?
It's a cool Pontiac 2+2.
Yes. Very
Very
rare car.
With a bubble window in the
with
back.
a bubble window.
Yeah. I'd check that out.
You don't see a lot of those.
No. Tight trunk.
Yeah.
These are super cool cars. This would be an 86, I believe. Yep, 2+2, 86.
I don't think you can see anything already.
Yeah, I agree with the not look pretty thing, but they are fast cars. I think it's the bubble in the back, but you know. Petty had one.
Yeah. There's a legend.
Yeah, love the cowboy hat.
Ventura.
The Ace Ventura, 1975 Pontiac. Oh, you even got a little bit of mirror there. You can look underneath. Yeah. That's kind of cool.
The motor's gorgeous.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Trans Am. Yeah, Smokey and the Bandit.
Everybody.
Actually, you know what?
wanted to be-
That's what made that car popular. Is the Smokey and the Bandit when that came out.
Yeah.
Everybody in the theater are drive-ins back then. We're like, oh, we just gotta get one out. And didn't she make him bankrupt?
Maybe.
We won't. That's a different episode.
That's a
We won't
different
talk-
story. Very nice car. And we got two of them.
Black and white, and for sale. Okay, let's give a plug on the for sale one. So what do we got here? Interior's original. It's an 81. Ask it $30,000 for it. Beautiful interior.
Clean. Clean car.
They were cool to have the T-tops, but a gorgeous car. And if you did have a T-top in high school, you were the king. Everybody wanted to be your friend.
Big old eagle on the front. What did they actually call that? They called that the Firebird or something.
Yeah.
Cool car. We have a yellow one. And then one of my
Yellowbird.
personal favorites is a 65 GTO. I love the GTO. Very nice. Convertible.
With a clean interior.
Tri-power. It's probably 389 tri-power. Nice. Really nice.
Super clean.
Yeah. Set some Windex in the back there. Nice. Very super clean.
Actually, a little thing on the blue. The blue was patented. It had to be blue. That's what GM, when they came out in different colors, they wanted to patent. So they patented actually the blue fluid that went in there.
Ah.
So a little bit of tidbit. So if it was not blue, it wasn't original. Unlike mine. Mine's pink. Well, we'll get to that in a minute.
And another Beaumont. It's like a 66. Yep, 66 Beaumont. Really nice car. Yeah, really nice. And then the little crybaby down
Crybaby,
there.
as we've seen in Ferndale.
We have another Beaumont.
Beaumont Boulevard.
Yeah. This is one of the most popular body styles for the Chevelle.
It was.
Yes.
Part of the muscle car era.
Very aggressive. Acadian.
Convertible.
Nice. Very nice little car. It can so. It can so.
With the popular 327.
Of course. Firebird.
72 Firebird. another Firebird. 400 Ram air system.
Formula.
Yeah, 74, unrestored. And my birthday card.
My name is Yorma.
Yorma.
With rockstrapscanada.com.
All right.
And these are rock straps, and they're in lieu of bungee cords. If you use bungee cords, they're either too long, too short, or they snap out and hit you in the eye, maybe.
Yeah.
So these have
Been there, done that.
These
yeah.
have an adjustable portion to them, and a flexible portion together.
Well, that's cool.
Snap together like this, fully UV resistant. And I'm going to give you the demonstration. Come here.
All right, let's check this out.
Really cool. So you can aim on attention on.
Automatically pulls attention back.
Yeah.
That is cool. Is this patent? Is this your own design and everything?
Yeah, this is rock straps.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are, sitting with Terry Beal from the Pontiac Club. So we're gonna ask him a few questions on what it's like to be the head honcho of the Pontiac Club. So, Terry, how you doing?
Doing good. Can't complain. Beautiful day. Lots of cars.
Yeah. At the Cascades Casino,
Yep.
which seems to be another headache-free session, as they say.
Yeah. No, this year even a little better. I think a little more cooperation, that type of thing.
That's good. Well, and how long has it been here?
I believe this is our fourth year.
Fourth year at the Cascades.
Yeah.
In Langley. And how long have you been president?
Going on 9 years now. Yeah.
Is it fun?
No.
Is it all what you expected?
You know what? You might get challenged if you just go and
It's that feeling like when you leave the dentist office, you know.
She can't get into
you know,
the bathroom. Can we use that can there?
That good?
It's good, yeah. I mean, there's some enjoyment to it. There has to be, or else you're kind of an idiot to do it. But there are some good people. There's a small, a core of good people, and it's enjoyable.
What's some of your best moments?
I guess the best moments, have been Sunday afternoon after our show is over.
That's when it becomes less stressful and the whole year's gone by and it's all good.
Yeah, and partially it's my fault. I guess my wife Pat, she helps a lot too. It's our fault in that you just keep. We started out being vice president before I became president. And then the president quit, and we gradually took over, like nobody else wanted to do any of it. So we just gradually took over things, like somebody was in charge of doing something and they didn't do it, didn't like it, whatever. Then, it's okay, we'll do that.
Yeah. Basically took over ownership.
Yeah, so you end up, every time I keep telling Pat, please remind me that it's the Pontiac Car Club and Car Show, not Terry's Car Club and Car Show. You know,
There's no difference, really.
Yeah. you just take ownership of it.
Yeah.
You know, and that's good or bad. And lots of times I get asked from vendors or other people, can we do it? And I want to say yes or no. Wait a minute, I can't do that. I've got to ask the membership. But the good moments, that's it. I guess we have two big things every year. We have our Christmas dinner and our annual car show. Like I said, this is the 27th year, so
27, that's a long 27 years.
thoughts have always been, say Oldsmobile Buicks or whatever, to join, but then they want us to change the name of the club.
And it's tough when you've already had it established for so long.
We've been 27 years. We're semi-successful, I guess, as a car club. Why should we drop our identity?
Right.
You know, one theory was to become the GM orphans.
Right.
You know,
That's
which is-
because everything's gone.
Exactly.
2010 was the end of the Pontiac era, which is a long time considering 1926, the birth of it. And now it's just dwindled away and financial trouble with the company. And
Yep.
so my turn. But you're mentioning sponsors. I know as the years go by, and sponsors I notice aren't hooking up as much anymore. Or is that sort of
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. We used to, like with the prizes and that we give out, or in the lottery prizes, we used to get a lot of stuff from parts people, like, I mean, just not singling out, but naming a few, like Lord Co, KMS, people like that. Now they get nothing. They give nothing. They've seen, I guess, how good car shows can be, and they have their own now.
yeah.
I remember one year, large. I mean, I fought long and hard a young lady out in Langton at the head office. Finally, she gave in to giving us something for our show. I went out and there was a box with 3 ballpoint pens, 4 hats, and 3 scratch pads.
That is awesome.
Yep. So I left it there. Obviously they need it more than we do.
Yeah.
But that's where it is. The prizes you see now, these are all. Now this is something we have to buy them.
Yeah.
You know, the Pontiac Club has to. We have to have some kind of prizes, I think. But we are money. Yeah, exactly.
We're all good.
Yeah.
So, in closing, to be a president of a club, what do you recommend to people out there who want to start a club? What are the do's and don'ts, or what's one thing that you would think twice about?
Well, I think first of all, you have to get a frontal lobotomy. I guess you have to be really interested in doing it. Have a thick skin.
Yeah.
I've been a salesman for many, many years, so I think the thick skin part came along.
Yeah.
And just try to find a group of people who care.
Yeah.
I do not know a lot of the other clubs, how many people are in. I think we're running shortly under 40 members, 40 cars, which I think is great. Like I say, there's been many little Chevelle clubs, a lot of big name car clubs that just died and gone, you know. But to start a car, you have to get people with the interest and hope you can carry it through.
Yeah, that's true. That's cool.
Other than that, it's fun.
Awesome.
I mean, what can we do doing an update like this?
Great weather. Great day for a car show.
Yeah, great people.
Cool.
Anyways,
Well, I do thank you, Terry.
Thank you very much.
So, off we go.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the episode, and we'll carry on. We'll go from there. Terry Beal, Pontiac Car Club. Every Sunday show.
Yeah.
When car show starts, I'm in every Sunday.
Always a Sunday.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Usually the first guy I see in the year and the last guy.
Yes, it's in the year. Starts with the shorts and ends with the parka. You know?
And his wife's a winner. She always wins the raffle.
Yeah,
right?
always.
wins
Or the
raffle.
toonie toss for the.
Yeah. A great big, what was it, speaker tower thing one day with the best prize in the whole works. And sure enough, she wins.
She wins, and then she got a big bottle of vodka, the last one for toonie toss.
That's cool.
It's a fun. Coming to car shows, it's a great way to see people. And, I think it's our last form of social hookup.
Anyways, take care, guys.
All right,
Mike.
cheers.
You bet.
This was a cool one. I haven't seen this one yet at car shows.
SD Andel, Sedandel.
52.
Nice.
52, 56, 52.
Yeah. Says, yes, 52.
Look at all that chrome.
When they did it right
Yeah.
in the old days. It's all plastic foam now.
Yeah.
Roll into another Firebird.
Yeah, another Firebird, yellow one.
Black on yellow. Another Firebird. A lot of Firebirds.
Popular cars.
Yeah, like Camaros, very popular. Stylish, not too big, very toy. And then this beauty.
This was actually in our first episode. This is Greg's sedan delivery.
Gorgeous paint job. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's
Got this
just
color. It goes from green to red.
sparkly, just gorgeous the way the sun hits it. Maybe I'll catch it. Oh, look at it, and it went brown.
There you go.
Oh, it's amazing.
Gorgeous 56.
Oh,
The paint job alone is just unreal. And this is our club president's car, Terry Beal. Laurentian.
I love those taillights.
Yep, Cadillac. It's a cool piece. I know he had a turbo 350 transmission in it. I know he pulled it. I'm not sure exactly what he put back into it.
10 Indian.
Yeah. Lots of cool features. I think it would have been a little cool if they had the lights stuff.
Yeah, that would have been good.
Alright everyone, well that concludes another killer episode of Rodz and Hobz. Check us out at local car shows. Go to the Harrison's event page and check out Sunday car shows. We'll be there filming with your ride, hopefully in tow. So a great big shout out today. It was a great episode to Terry. All the great cars that are here. Don and his Blue Heaven. And yeah, I think you really enjoy the episode. Keep track of what's going on. Come down to Cascades Casino in Langley, BC. Have a brunch, do some gambling, have a great time. Keep your eye out for all those classic cars out there on the road. Be safe. Remember, too much road and too little time. See you all next episode.